Okay, so here we go. We created a window. Can't really do much with it. We can resize it. There's nothing in there. Now here's the problem. When we close it, you see how the program keeps running? It doesn't close, and the reason why is because, at least I believe that's the reason why, this IPython console is using the PyQt as well, and so it's preventing it, the console is preventing it from exiting. Now if we open a command prompt and we navigate to the directory that has this, we go python and then 17 freakplot.py, that's the file name we're working with. We hit enter. Here's our window. See, same behavior, except when we close it, you see that it exits. So clearly we have a problem. We can't run this program from IPython. This is the IPython console. Okay, so we need to add a check, and I'm just going to, well, I'm going to kill this if I can. Maybe I'll just close the, yeah, so as you can see, we have a problem if we run it in the IPython. What we will do then is we will add a check, and that will be in the main function over here. Before we do anything, we want to try, we'll do interactive, actually we'll just call it shell. Shell equals get ipython dot class dot name with double underscores. Okay, now if there is no get ipython, it'll accept, it'll raise an exception, so we'll catch that and we'll be fine. But if this succeeded, then that means this is an interactive shell, which means we don't want to be running this. Okay, print this script has been launched, print from an interactive Python ipython print shell, and then we'll format shell. Okay, print, we'll do a blank line, print the interactivity will mess with, because you saw that it didn't close. Print the script's ability to run the GUI. Come on, spider. Print, okay. So we can't use a GUI due to that. You know what I'm thinking? I might just switch to a Vim console. This spider IDE is messing with me. Please launch from a normal Python. Okay, print in order to run this script. Print, okay, print will exit. Okay, print. And then here we call sys.exit and then 1. Okay. And then, oh yeah, we forgot to accept. So that's try. And then we do accept. Now, when you do accept, Python doesn't require you to specify an exception type, but you should, because otherwise you end up catching things that you're not supposed to catch. So except name error in this case. So this will throw name error if it doesn't exist. And how you know is, let's just suppose we didn't, you do if true, right? So that's how you know, is you just put undefined name. Oh, that's okay. So you hit enter and it's a name error. As you can see, it's a name error. IPython is not defined. So therefore, you know that you're supposed to catch a name error. Okay. And then this is what we want. Pass. Okay, so we purposely want it to throw if we're going to execute. So if we run this in this console, the script has been launched. Yeah, so it tells us it's been launched in Spider Shell, and so like it'll mess with our GUI, so we can't run it in Spider Shell. But if we go here into the command prompt and launch it in normal Python, then it runs. Ta-da! Okay, so that's great. Okay, so